So guys, yes, I've had several comments before about the flashing lights, apologies, about the fact you can't hear me. Well, I just want to remind everybody that it's just me. It's just me here in this workshop. There's nobody else, no camera person, nobody else works for me. It's just me, my workshop, to you. So that's why sometimes you get some images where it's a bit dodgy. The camera falls off. It's because I am physically working, stopping, taking time out of my day and filming for you guys. I do it because I enjoy it, but you know, I'd obviously love to have a camera crew in here watching me do it and, you know, saving me having to use up all my memory on my phone. And why can't we get hold of you because you're filming and all that type of thing. So a lot goes into these YouTube channels, and I hope people appreciate it, because it's not free. The time that you have to put in editing videos and then uploading them, of course, it's all time. So this is a huge oak slab. Now this oak slab is going in someone's garden and is going to be a massive chair, stool, bench, and I'm treating it with raw linseed oil because it's the best thing for oak and it's the cheapest thing I can use. I'd love to use Odie's oil, but I'd probably use a whole jar of the penetrating oil, which is about 100 quid for a bench. You know, when you say that to a customer, they probably won't order it with you. So it's all about finding suitable materials at cost for you as a tradesperson, and that's the principle of this video really. I mean, I could have used Odie's oil and spent £100 on the oil itself and achieved the same look as what I just achieved with raw linseed oil. So what this video really is about, it's about choosing the right product for your finish. Yeah, and this is probably the most loveliest palette you'll ever see. This palette is a hardwood palette and it's stunning. I might turn it into a coffee table. It's that good, just for a laugh. But anyway, so as you can see, this really does soak in lovely. And I'll probably give this 2 coats of this raw linseed oil, because it's going outside obviously, but also I know it's definitely been sealed. So the underneath has been sprayed with a dark oak like decking oil through my spray gun, my airline. So that's really got into the bottom of the oak. And then this is going to be put on some bearers, and they've also been done in that stain, and I'll show you in the next clip. Just love it. Raw linseed oil, smells lovely. So that's it with its first coat. And I'll just quickly show you the bearers. So I sprayed those and they'll be ready to flip over and spray the other side. And there we are. So that was me showing you quickly about assessing your job and making sure that you're keeping your costs down on your materials. Because you could spend, you know, like I said to you in the video, you could spend £100 on Odie's oil, which is this over here, which is absolutely lovely, don't get me wrong, but for an outside project, that's a waste of money, isn't it? To me anyway, that's what I think. That's my personal view. You might tell me different in the comments after this video, but that's my cost-effective way. I've used Baratine raw linseed oil trade. It's more than enough, perfect for this job. And I'll tell the customer to do the same. Raw linseed oil for the future of the life of it. And that'll last a long time. So remember to look at my other videos and subscribe to the channel and like this video. And if you are watching it, please comment and tell me what you prefer to use on your finishing. Thanks for watching, have a good day, and remember, the slower you go, the faster you go.